Hello and welcome back. In this video we will talk about what is information DAX, how we can use in Power BI. So DAX, information DAX has many functions like contain, is blank, is error. So we can check the information about how we can extract the information using it. So first we will use DAX contain. So I already develop a DAX, writing a DAX to save a time to shorten the video. So first is DAX contain. So it's a very pretty simple. It will give the information about what table we have. For example, dim employee, we have a table, and then column name, first name is a column, and what we are looking for, we are looking for David. So if the text is contain David, then it means that it will return true, else it will return false. So it's a very pretty simple to find any string value in a given table, and based on their column, so it will find and return the true value. So next is DAX blank. So as name say that if we have a blank of this column, for example we are taking employee label 2 column, and if we were taking that is this column is blank or not, like this, I will take employee label 2 and it is blank in a first row, so it will return true, else it will return false. So it is helpful in this case that the value is available or not. Is empty, is actually related to that whole tables, it's not to the specific column. However, is blank is working with the column name, but is empty working with the full table name. Okay, so DAX error. So is error actually, for example we are saying that we have an employee key which is numeric value, and we have parent employee key which is also numeric value. So if we divide employee key divided by parent employee key, then it will return a value. But for example if we say divided by any number divided by 0, let's say, so it will return an error. So in this case actually we have a error. So is error is in this case the following column or row will be true, like this. So apart from that, actually we have other functions, like we can say that is even. So let's create our example on the fly. Is even, how we can use it, create a new column. Okay, then give it a name, DAX even. Okay, is even is a function, we can start a function is even, then path length, so, and hit enter. So if number is even or odd, so it will return true or false accordingly. So 1 is not a even, 3 is not an even, 2 is even, 4 is even, so it's returned true, and in front of 3 which is not an even, so it's return a false value. So next is logical function. So as name suggests that if we have any logical data type, for example DAX empty is a logical data type, DAX blank is a logical data type. So how we can see the return type is logical or not. So DAX logical, I am writing a new DAX is logical, and then give any column name. Let's say we are taking DAX contains. Okay, because it's a logical or not, we want to see that. So hit enter and let's drop into the table. So yeah, so let's logical DAX contain is a logical field, right? So it's a very pretty simple working of the. However, if we take full name, okay, let's change DAX in contain into full name. so it will show false, because full name is not a logical field, it's a name actually. It's a string value, string data type. So I hope you understand this concept as well. And we have a other function like dax is number, dax is odd, which is opposed to even. Dax lookup value, which is most commonly dax lookup. I will make a separate video on dax lookup value. Thank you very much for